Okay, Wildcats. Today we're looking at Monday, April 8th, Logarithm Properties, page 57. If you would, update your table of contents. Okay, now your table of contents is updated. Let's take a look at your notes. Okay, Logarithm Properties, page 57. Okay, Logarithm Properties. So you have exponential equation and a logarithm equation. And what I want you to know is the b in the exponential is the same b in the logarithm equation. The a in the exponential equation is the same a in the logarithm equation. And then the same thing with the x. Okay. Now, log base b of x times y is equivalent to log base b of x plus log base b of y. The log of a product is equal to the sum of the logs of the arguments. Okay, log base b of x divided by y is log base b of x minus log base b of y. The log of a quotient is equal to the difference of the logs of the arguments. Okay, the log of a number raised to a power is the same as the, and actually let me take it back and let me write this first. P times log base b of x, okay, is the same as the power times the log of the argument. Okay, go ahead and finish those up. All right, now let's take a look here. Okay, now it says if the log base and the argument are the same, it is always equal to the power. So the base and the argument are the same, so this is equivalent to p. The base and the argument are the same, so 6 equals x. Okay, now it says if the log base and the argument are the same, it is always equal to the understood power of 1. So base and argument are the same, so this equals 1. Base and the argument are the same, so 1 equals x. All right. Now, the change of base property states that log base b of n is equivalent to log of n divided by log of b. All right, same thing here, log of 32 divided by log of 4. And log of x plus 1 divided by log of 2. And that's the change of base property. All right, so let's go and finish that up. Now let's take a look at the next page. Now, this page is going to go in your journal. And this page will go in your journal on page 57 as well. Okay, it says rewrite the equation in exponential form. So what you want to do is, I'm going to write these in capitals so there's no confusion. So b to the x is equal to a, and log base b of a equals x. All right, so what you first have to do identify is b, x, and a. So in this case, b equals 2, a is 8, and x is 3. And I'm basing that on this right here. So now I just plug those into here. So b is 2, so that's 2 to the x, which is 3, equals 8. Okay, same thing, we're going to identify B, A, and X. So B is 4, A is 2, and X is 1/2. So now we plug these numbers into here. So B is 4, so that's 4 to the X, which is 1/2, equals A, which is 2. Okay, so same thing here. So B equals 2, A equals X, and X equals 3. So that's 2 to the 3 equals X. All right. Now, that was rewriting in exponential form. Now we're going to rewrite in logarithmic form. So I'm going to find the letters from here. So B equals 2, X equals 3, and A equals 8. Now we use this. So that's log of 2 of 8 equals 3. Okay, so here B is 5, X is -2, and A equals 1/25. So that's log base 5 of 1/25 equals -2. Okay, now here B is 4, X is 1/2, A is 2. So log base 4 of 2 equals 1/2. Okay, go ahead and finish up example 4, 5, and 6. All right, now we're going to evaluate. So we're going to use a calculator to do that. So let's just do example 7, 8, and 9 together, okay? So you're going to go to New Document, Add Calculator. Now to get this one, you're going to press Control Log, and that button is right here, Control Log, right here, Control Log, okay? And then that's 5 of 1/25, so that's 3. So that equals 3. Okay. Now, same thing for the next one. We press Control, this button right here. So then Control log, that's 4 to the 1 divided by 4 is -1. Now, for this one, we need to do the 2 first. So we're going to press 2, and then we're going to press this key right there. So 2 key, and then Control log of 2 to the 27 equals 27. All right. Now let's take a look at example 10. It says expand each logarithm. Okay. Now we know from our notes that multiplication is addition, and this power is going to front. So this would be log of x plus log of y plus log of z squared. And that Z shouldn't be on the bottom. This should be right here. Okay. Now, that 2 goes in the front, so then that's log of x plus log of y plus 2 times log of z. Okay. Now we know from our notes that division is subtraction, so that's log of x minus log of y to the 6. But we know that the 6 can go in the front, so that's log of x minus 6 log of y. All right, go ahead and finish up example 10 and 11. All right, condensed. Now, here we expanded, here we're condensing. Okay. Now, addition to multiplication, so this becomes log of 2 times 11 times 7, which 2 times 11 times 7 is 154, so this is log of 154. Okay. Now subtraction is division, and let's go ahead and move this 2. We know moved up to the x one. Okay. So then that's log of 7 divided by 12 squared, which 12 squared is 144. So this is log of 7 divided by 144. Again, addition is multiplication, so this is log base 6 of 4 times 9. But we know 4 times 9 is 36, so that's log base 6 of 36, which equals, you ask yourself, 6 to what power equals 36? The answer to that is 2. Okay. Now subtraction, again, is division, so that's log base 5 of 100 divided by 4. Now 100 divided by 4 is 25, so it's log of 5 of 25. And then you ask yourself the same question, 5 raised to what power gives you 25? The answer to that again is 2. All right, let's look at example. Now, it says use the change of base. So this would be written as log of 8 divided by log of 2. And then this would be log of 16 divided by log of 8. Okay, so if you would, go ahead and finish up your examples and start working on your assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.